In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in Microsoft Planner. This is a simple process that can greatly enhance how you view and manage your tasks and deadlines, especially if you're used to a specific date format. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Planner. This is the tool we'll be working with today, and it's essential to access it for the changes we need to make. Once you have it open, you'll see the Microsoft Planner homepage. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll notice a sign-in button. You'll want to go ahead and click on that. If you're already using a Microsoft 365 account, you might find that you're automatically signed in. However, if that's not the case, the next step is pretty straightforward. You simply need to enter your email address and your password. Make sure you use the credentials linked to your Microsoft account with access to Microsoft Planner. After you're signed in, let's head over to your account settings. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture, which is located at the top right corner of the screen. Once you click on your profile picture, a drop-down menu will appear, and from here you can access your Microsoft 365 account settings. Within the Settings menu, you want to look for an option that might be labeled as Settings and Region, or something similar such as Language and Region. This section is crucial as it controls how your account displays language-specific settings, including the date format. Now, what you'll do next is choose a country or region that utilizes your preferred date format. For instance, if you're looking for the day, month, year format, you might want to select the United Kingdom or Denmark. On the other hand, if you prefer the month, day, year format, make sure your selection reflects a region that uses this standard. Once you've selected the region of your choice, don't forget to save your changes. There's usually a Save button at the bottom of the page, which you'll need to click to confirm and apply the settings to your account. It's a good practice to ensure that these changes take effect. You might want to sign out of your account and then sign back in. This step helps refresh the settings and ensure your changes are implemented. And there you have it. With these steps, you've now successfully altered the date format in Microsoft Planner to better suit your needs. Whether you're managing projects, setting deadlines, or organizing your team, having a date format that works for you can make a big difference. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.